I am Dr. S. Rajan, Director of Dr. Rajan Eye Care Hospital, Phagwada. If the cornea is less than 470 micrometer, we should avoid LASIK. Any kind of LASIK, either femto LASIK or standard LASIK. We should prefer phakic IOLs. The reason is, if you do the LASIK in the thin cornea, the patient will land in trouble after few months of the LASIK. And the second thing, for higher myopic patients, I always prefer to implant phakic IOLs. And the main reason behind is the wow factor for the phakic IOLs. After implanting the phakic IOLs, the patient on the first PO day, he become so happy. And I will recommend for the new surgeons who are very hesitating, like when I have implanted my first phakic IOL, I was also very much hesitating. I was afraid of implanting this because it seems to be little thick as compared to other phakic IOLs. But when I have implanted, it was so easy to implant. It opened into the AC beautifully, and the wow factor was excellent. The patient to whom I have implanted my first, I remember that patient, he was so happy. Her number was more than -13, and on the first day she was very happy. And after that I got confidence to implant more lenses, and as I have implanted now more than 100 of these phakic IOLs, and all of my patients are very happy. Now I am fully confident. I always prefer to go for the phakic IOLs. The delivery system of the phakic IOL is so good and so easy to implant that you will love to implant if you implant once these lenses. These are the perfect phakic IOLs, especially the Eyecryl. They have used the acrylic material, as all we know that acrylic is very good material for all the IOLs. Another thing, for LASIK, you have to go for the big budget machines, either excimer or femto, and you need a investment of in crores. For those surgeons whose refractive load is not too much, like I don't suggest them to invest for these femto LASIK or excimer laser. First of all, go for these Eyecryl phakic IOLs. These are the best IOL for the date. They have used acrylic material. That material is very friendly into the eye. I have noticed no problem, like no uveitis, no cataract, no post-operative glaucoma. The patients, I have implanted more than 100 Eyecryl Phakic IOLs from BIOTECH. The lenses, the experience was wonderful. You can see the implantation is so easy. The level of comfort is so high that you will love to implant it again and again. So I always suggest for the newcomers, for the new surgeons, to go for the Eyecryl Phakic IOLs from the BIOTECH. These are the wonderful lenses. The maximum power I have implanted around 2 years back was -17, and that patient, I have seen the happiness of that patient on the next post, but she was so happy. Whenever she come with such a sweet smile, because she shared that most of the surgeons say that now you cannot go for the LASIK, and she was thinking that how she will survive, how will she pass her life with these high number of glasses. But the dream of her to live spectacle free become true after implantation of this Eyecryl Phakic lenses. And my experience of implanting the lenses around 6 years. I have implanted my first phakic IOL 6 years back. My experience with the BIOTECH people, I cannot explain in words. They people are so good. They have such a wonderful team that once you will see them, you will see their working, only then you will realize. I'm not going to speak any lie in this, and you just give a message to any of their executive and you will see the response within 10 seconds. They will respond you. The biotech company is so flexible and they are so doctor friendly that they give you so lot of options to go for, and I have never seen such a wonderful people, such a honest, energetic. The response is so good and fast that you will love to associate with biotech people. They are wonderful. And lastly, I give my best wishes to the biotech. They have done a wonderful job, because a few years back we have to struggle to get these phakic oils. The few companies, they have the monopoly in this field, and now the biotech, they have broken the monopoly of those companies. So my best wishes to the new surgeons who are planning to implant their first phakic oils, that always go for biotech. And for biotech, my best wishes that you are the wonderful people. Keep it up. Thank you.